hopefully, let's move this blanket. And hopefully the washer's not too loud. But hi you guys, I'm Royalty Roots. Welcome to my page. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the haul. All of the above. Okay, so we're about to do a haul on Hobby Lobby, Home Sense, Dollar General, Walmart, and Ross. That's a lot. That's a lot. That is a lot. I'm gonna do Dollar General first because it's one bag. And of course, and of course, it's a Christmas haul, y'all. Y'all see I'm rocking my bougie, what does it say? Bougie shirt. So that means it's October and we are doing Christmas in October. Y'all, you gotta go get this stuff now. If you don't get it now, it's gonna be gone by the time you get it. Y'all be on the lookout for my other video. Is Burlington's, At Home, and Amazon, and that's Christmas stuff as well. Now let's get into this video. So I was watching this video, the girl Masia, I think that's how you say her name, and I want to finish watching it, so let's pause that. So first thing we got are these cute, they're so cute, little coffee mugs with the gingerbread. Man, super cute, and they're metal, as you can hear. Super cute. Then we got these little trees. They were $1. These were $2. And these were $1. These are, you would think these were $2, but they were just $1. And this is what they look like, the little dogs. These are so cute. I'm thinking, y'all know me in the craft room, so I'm thinking once Christmas over, just cut the red ribbon off of it and just have them sitting around the craft room, like on my desk or on the shelf somewhere. That's what I was thinking about. But also paint them like a better paint, because this is, it's giving it was worth $1. For real. Not the airplane flying by while we're in the middle of our video. Next, we're going to do Home Sense, since it's just one bag as well. Now, y'all, I have been on the hunt for this little lamp, and it's so cute. And it lights up, but I've been on the hunt for it, and I paid $16.99 for it. I've been on the hunt for this little lamp, and I'm gonna put it here in the craft room. Even though I have that one, I'm gonna put this one probably on my desk, either the desk or the crafting desk. Most likely the crafting desk, because I need more light over there. But she's cute. And it's a touch lamp. I don't know if y'all see it keep flickering. But yeah, it's a touch lamp. Oh, this is so perfect. This is so perfect. I gotta put this up in the, because this mid-October, but this don't have nothing to do with Christmas as well. But it goes perfect with my shirt. Let's see. That's so cute. I gotta sit her up somewhere in here so she could be propped up. But she was super cute, and for some reason I've been had it in the bag thinking it was Christmas stuff. Walmart. One thing. And that's this bow wreath holder. And it's like a bronzy gold. I would prefer the antique gold versus this brown gold. But she cute, right? Then we're gonna go to, I'll do Hobby Lobby last because it's the most bags. But we at Ross now. This was $13.99. And this is what it looks like. Let's shake it up. So cute. Y'all know I'm collecting these now. It says we wish you a Merry Christmas. And this is like a little cupcake. Super cute. And here's another one I bought. I didn't even remember buying all these globes, y'all. This is a lot of daggone globes. And I bought another one. I forgot about this. So cute. And this one was $9.99. It's so cute. And it don't make no noise. I honestly forgot about these two. And I literally just bought another one yesterday. So I got 3 for Christmas. And I got 3 for Halloween. Yeah, I'm on a roll. And then I just got 2 sitting in on my vanity. These are so cute. They're so cute. Okay. Now here's the banger. Hobby Lobby. We got a lot of stuff. Now I bought these literally like end of July, July, not July, August. One of them, child, earlier this year, literally when they first started putting Christmas stuff out. I bought these because I knew they was going to go, they were viral, and I knew they wasn't going to be around by the time Christmas rolled around. So I bought these, and they were $8.99, and I got them at regular price, but I went back once they marked it down to 40% off. I went back and got my 40%. I should have went back and got the 10% for the 50%, but girl, it is not that deep. So this is what it looked like, and these are, it says iced coffee girly. Y'all know I'm a cappuccino girly. I'm not an iced coffee girly, but it's the same thing. Y'all hear the noise? That's the little monster and the G-Babies down there. Okay. And these are like several different trips. And this is for just all over the house when it comes to my Christmas decor. I got this to go on the porch. Super cute. Of course, I'm going to DIY and add my colors to it. Got this. That one was, what was your price? $5.99 with 50% off. And then this was $11.99. This to go in here in the craft room. And it was 50% off. Isn't this cute? This is so cute. Let's go with this bag. Now this to go on the porch. Let me show y'all what we got. I got these to go on the porch to go in the tree on the porch. This was $3.99 with the 50% off, and this was $4.99 with the 50% off. These are just the flowers. Y'all know on the porch it's always black and white with black and white stripe with some kind of color, and I think the color that's going to be on the porch is just going to be green, literally just green. So we got black, gold, white, and green. I'm just going to add a pop of green, which would be the tree. And also if I could find like a green Christmas rug, it'll be on there. That's what I'm looking for. I'm gonna make a list of what all I need for the porch. I need a Christmas rug. I want it to be green. I want some not moms are for the fall. I can't think of the name of the flowers for the Christmas season. They have them out everywhere, and they only have out red and white right now. I don't never see them in green, but I'm thinking maybe I could spray paint them. They fake, right? So why can't I spray paint them? So I'm thinking of maybe I could spray paint them. But the ones I've seen, like Walmart have them, and all the other stores have them, and they fairly cheap, like $5 or $10 for the actual vase itself. And I've only seen red, mostly red, and then I seen white. If I see gold, I'm definitely gonna get the gold. But if I don't see gold or green, then I'm gonna take the white and paint it green. Then I got this ribbon and this ribbon to add to the ribbon I already currently have to go in here. This was $7.99, and then this was $9.99 with the 50% off, and it's the gingerbread house. And then this one is all the different gingerbread and cappuccino and coffee, and look like hot chocolate, you know, all of the above. So we got that. I'm trying to wait on that bag because it's a lot to unwrap, and I think this bag is too. So give me a second. So y'all know the theme is mostly gingerbread, the pink gingerbread girl and man up here. But if I seen some cute pink ornaments that I like, as you see, the dogs and these here cups, the tumblers, they're so cute. You got the tumblers, then you got the iced coffee. These are so beyond cute. They're so cute. I'm going to add them to the tree. These were $13.99. I don't know why they were so high, but they was $13.99 with 50% off. Then I got the gingerbread man. He's so cute. Then the gingerbread girl. And then I'm going to say she's the baby. She's so tiny. She's so tiny compared to them. Look how little she is. So I'm going to say she's the baby, even though this to go on the tree. Then I have, let me unwrap this stuff. Y'all, I was just picking up this stuff little by little when it came to this stuff. And it's so cute now that I'm like unwrapping everything and looking at everything. It's like super cute. Because look at this. What? Why she got this on her head? This is icing on her head, y'all. Like what? With the little icing around her neck. She's so cute. She was $12.99 with the 50% off. And then I got this little house. This house is so cute. It was $12.99 with the 50% off. It's super cute. Then the last two things is these gingerbread trees. It's $6.99 with Of course, you already know. They so cute. I got one pink, then one green and pink, and I think it was giving off blue, but it's actually white. That's my light that's making it look blue. I was about to say, I think that's supposed to be white. But yeah, these are so cute. So you guys, that's all I have for this portion of this video. I'm going to go into Burlington's at home and Amazon next, so watch that video next. Thanks for watching. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it. Comment below your favorite piece. My favorite piece would probably be this lamp, because I've been looking for it, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, it don't have nothing to do with Christmas. It's more of a pink, but I've been looking for it. Why is my chapstick all down there? But I've been looking for it, so I'm not gonna lie, it's this. It's definitely this. And then if you're gonna go into the next thing, it'll be my globes. I'm feeling globes for some reason. I am loving globes. If you watch the next video, you're gonna see some more globes. I think I just bought just one. I think it's one more. I think I didn't remember those two. Hey. Thanks for watching again. Bye.